Have you ever noticed that immediately after school resumption, children suddenly comes down to cough, cold, catarrh, or even malaria? Let's talk about why this happens. Welcome to Nigeria Consumer Hub YouTube channel. When children resumes back to school, they mix with many others, and this increases exposures to germs and viruses. For example, hugging each other spreads infections easily. Weather changes, poor ventilation, and even stress from resuming routine can weaken their immunity. So here are some practical solutions for parents. Number one, boost their immunity with fruits, vegetables, and enough water. Number two, teach them simple hygiene like hand washing and no sharing of personal items. Number three, always ensure they sleep well so their body can fight infections. Healthy habits equals healthy kids. Please subscribe to Nigeria Consumer Hub for more tips and awareness. Bye.